Welcome back to another RTE video. Today, we're going to unbox the brand new Supernote A6 X2 Nomad. So let's see what's included in the box. For the holiday season, it seems Supernote has included a gift bag with the purchase of the device. That's a nice touch. So for the new Nomad, I only ordered the device without a case since I already own the previous A6X model. Here we can see the packaging is different for this device, of course. So let's get started and open up the packaging. All right, let's see how we get this opened up. All right, here we have our new Supernote. Let's put this to the side. Let's see what this is. Oh, this looks to be the screwdriver that's used to open up the device. That's one of the new features of the A6 X2 Nomad, is the ability to replace some parts, such as the battery in the back. So we'll be looking at that in a later video. Then we have a quick start guide. And a USB-C cable. All right, so we'll put this to the side. And let's finally unwrap our new A6 X2 Nomad. All right, just at a first glance, it feels a little heavier than the previous A6X, but once we do a review of the hardware side by side with the previous model, we'll look at that a little bit more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you in the next video.